Because today's video is about Wabi Sabi, which is Japanese philosophy of art and design, which basically encompasses simplicity and minimalism and finding the beauty in imperfection and the natural world around us and incorporating that into art and design. And I love the warm, soft color palettes. And so we're going to be picking up the beautiful tones from this white birch bark. So not only are we using this beautiful white birch bark for texture and gorgeous natural elements, but we also have these beautiful wooden dowels. So now for the extra exciting part. So new to me, first time using gloss heavy gel, which you can use for texture. It's transparent. It's also an adhesive. It extends your color. And of course it's glossy. And it's great for going in and making all these different kind of forms and keeping crisp lines and marks. I can't wait to really have fun with it. But for today's application, We're just going to apply it to get a tiny bit of texture. So what we're gonna do now is I'm just gonna go ahead and I have my masking tape and I'm just gonna use this as a guide. I'm just gonna make a line about here. Oh wow, that is glossy. I knew, wow. That is going to be so much fun to play with, guys. I mean, this is new. I just opened it up and never used heavy gel before, but I got it for different reasons. It's very versatile. But we're gonna go ahead and, ooh. Oh my, oh no. Oh, look at the transparency. Can you see this? Well, it's the next day, guys. Everything is dry. And I just wanted to point out a really cool thing that I just noticed. So in the areas where I covered the birch bark with some of that gorgeous transparency gloss heavy gel, it looks like sap. And isn't that fitting for this piece? I absolutely love it. Now I was thinking about going over the entire thing with a really thin white wash. Well, wash is really thin, but because I love the color so much and the tones and shades and this beautiful birch bark, I really didn't want to do that. Now I would have laid the dowels on later, of course, but to keep them silver and shiny. That being said, love the composition. And I'm still struggling on the profile because I love it like this as well. And I love it flipped the opposite way. I love them all, but this one to me works the best. So you guys let me know down in the comments which one you prefer, A, B, C, or D. Please hit that like button, subscribe, share, certainly comment. It is free. It helps the channel. If you come here often, you're obviously getting some value. So please like the video at the very least. And be sure to take a look around, you guys, and appreciate the beauty in nature and in simplicity. And you can really find beauty in anything, and oftentimes less is more, and it's the simple things that really matter. So stay safe, stay healthy, and until next time, I will see you all in the next pour or painting.